Department of Development Communication and Extension, Lady Irwin College, University of Delhi presents Creating and Managing Google Drive. Feeling overburdened and you've got the sirdard from the mess on your Gmail? Well, hey, why not use Google Drive? Google Drive एक बड़े ड्रॉर की तरह काम करता है जिसमें बड़े सारे छोटे छोटे सेक्शंस होते हैं which help you organize your files और इस ड्रॉर की चाबी आप किसी के साथ भी शेयर कर सकते हैं with your friend or with a group of people or with everyone in this world. So let's get started. For accessing your Google Drive, you need to have your Gmail account logged in. You can access your drive by clicking on the grid button just by the side of your image and further clicking on Drive. By clicking on the plus button on the left, you can create your own folders, upload files or folders from your computer and be on the go. Below the plus button, you can find various options like Shared with Me, option which helps you see files which are shared with you by other people, and the Recent button which shows the recent most accessed files. You can also change the way you want to view your folder by clicking on this icon from Grid View to List View. Just like the normal desktop, you can right-click on the file and access a number of options like Preview, which helps you view the file without actually opening it. The second is Open with option, which helps you open your file in some other Google application. Then there's Share option, which helps you share that file with some other person. By entering their email address, you can also establish that what will they able to do with the file. Do you want them to edit it or just view, or restrict them to view without your permission? By doing this, an email would be sent to that person with all these details and the access to your file. You can get a shareable link of your file, which when have had by someone, can access your file provided you establish the role of the editor or the viewer or view with only your permission. You can see your file's location with this option and move this file to another folder with this option, start it or rename the file. Further, you can make copies of the file or download it on your device and delete by exercising the remove option. You can play with your virtual drawer just by dragging and dropping your files in your created folders and enjoy with your virtual space. Google Drive is like a portable drawer, your files you can carry anywhere just by logging into your Google account on any device. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.